Matthew 9 verses 24. He said, "Leave, for the girl has not died, but is asleep," and they began laughing at him. Mark 5 verse 39. And entering in, he said to them, "Why make a commotion and weep? The child has not died, but is asleep." Luke 8 verses 52 to 53. Now they were all weeping and lamenting for her, but he said, "Stop weeping, for she has not died, but is asleep," and they began laughing at him, knowing that she had died. 1 Kings 2 verse 10. Then David slept with his fathers and was buried in the city of David. Deuteronomy 31 verse 16. The Lord said to Moses, "Behold, you are about to lie down with your fathers, and this people will arise and play the harlot with the strange gods of the land, into the midst of which they are going, and will forsake me and break my covenant which I have made with them.